Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did it. I finally jumped on the Temu train and I had to check it out. Had to see what it was all about. So let's get through everything that I got here. So I got some tips. These are Coffin. And then I also got these stiletto ones. I actually liked these because they looked a little bit shorter than some of the stiletto tips that I have that are super long. I got this box to hold all of my drill bits because I do have quite a few and they're just lying around in those plastic containers and sometimes I can't find them, so I figured I should put them all in one spot. And then I got this 4D UV gel. I've seen a few people use these. They're $1.34 a piece, or you could buy the whole thing for $11, so that's what I did. I got this thing to hold all of my brushes because I constantly throw them around on my table and everything gets stuck to them. Polish gets everywhere, so just thought it'd be easier. Some nail files. I also got a new mixing plate here because mine is a mess and this was just cheap. It was under $2. I'm like, yeah, may as well. Right now chrome is all the rage, those pearlescent chromes, so I got one of every color. These were 98 cents a piece and they're just a variety of different colors from pinks, purples, blues, greens, so I got all of those. I got these wood sticks because I do find these easy to clean up around the edges and cuticle area on clients. And then I wanted to try out some of their builder gels. I guess out of all of the products that I got, these are probably the most underwhelming. They're just really small containers and the gel seems kind of thick. I don't think you're really going to be able to get much out of them, but they all are pretty colors. I wanted to get some new drill bits and I found this pack on there for $5, so I figured why not. These are drill bits that I use all the time, and I was a little worried when I saw them because they seemed a little thick and long. That's what she said. But they were fine. They fit in my drill just fine. Super cute. Love the colors. I've been wanting to try this type of magnet, and I was glad I saw it on there. This was 98 cents, which was perfect. And then I saw the reflective cat eye gels that I thought were so pretty. It's 6 different gels in here for $10, which makes all of these under $2 a piece, like $1.72. You can't beat those types of prices. So I'm going to swatch them all out for you. This is just over a black gel polish. Once you have it on there, you're not going to cure it. And this is now when you're going to activate it. So you take the magnet, you just take it down one side of the nail, and then you take it down the other side. And you should have this beautiful reflection from that. Now this is after I'd worked it a couple times to kind of see what I could do with it. But this is the purple. So pretty. I felt like the colors were really vibrant. The lighting in my room really doesn't do any of these justice. You'll have to wait till you see it under the flash because it is so worth it. The green was so pretty. Messing with these did give me an idea of what I wanted to do for nail design. I saw it by the Daily Charm, which I will show you the reel that I saw, that I was like, oh, I wonder if I can recreate that with these polishes. And you know what? We did. We did. So this is the last color. This is what they look like underneath the flash. So pretty. Absolutely love the colors. It's totally giving Galaxy vibes. I wanted to test out my new drill bits, and I am working on my right hand, which is my dominant hand, so it's very hard for me to use my left hand to do things, but it is for everyone, right? It looks weird, it feels weird, so I'm sorry, but I'm just using my drill bit here to clean up around the cuticle area. I haven't done it in forever and your girl needed it done badly. Taking that cuticle ball bit and I'm just going to take that around the cuticle, trying to get any extra skin off that I may have missed with my scissors. And then I also buffed away the shine because I'm going to be applying full cover tips. All the drill bits worked nicely, so honestly I can't complain. I think they were great. After you prep your nails, make sure you add a base coat onto your nails and cure in the lamp for a minimum of 45 seconds before you go in with your full cover tips. I'm just taking some nail glue here, putting a little bit on the inside of the tip and at the bottom, applying at a 45-degree angle, and then curing in my lamp. just a flash cure, and then I do a full cure for 60 seconds in a big lamp, buffing away that shine, removing that dust. Here's the reel that I saw from the Daily Charm. I thought these were absolutely gorgeous. They were so pretty. And then I went on their website to kind of see like if I wanted to purchase them or not. They are $15 a nail polish. I was like, whoa, $15 a polish. Now I'm sure they're worth it. I'm like, oh, when I saw these, I really wanted to see if I could recreate it with $2 polishes. So here's our black base, and I just have to say this is Roslyn gel polish from Amazon. One coat. I only put one coat of this polish on, and it's really pigmented. I was super surprised. Roslyn for the win. So if you watch the reel, they did put a sparkly gel polish down after the black polish. Now I didn't have one. I do have this from Raya's Nails, which is also a reflective cat eye. It's a holographic one. So I figured if I put it on there and I like overworked it, you would still be able to see the sparkle, but it wouldn't be as vibrant. So that's kind of what I did here. Going in with the purple cat eye polish. So we're going to place a nice even layer over the top of the nail. You're not going to cure it. Once you have that on there, then you're going to take your magnet, and this is how you're going to activate it. A couple swipes up and down one side of the nail, and then do it on the other side of the nail. You'll be able to tell that it's activated because it'll be super bright. Now you're just going to try to push around those particles to get it in the design that you're looking for. This did take some motivation and some work. It was not easy for me to do, I'll be honest. You're going to want to flash cure in between each nail, so once you're happy with it, put it in the light for at least 15 seconds so it doesn't move anywhere. 10 years later, I come back after I do all of my nails, and here we are. It's looking so pretty. Loving the purple. So now we're going to go in with the blue. Again, apply a nice even layer over top. The lighting in my room, it just made it so hard to see. Like even I was struggling to see what I was doing. Here I am trying to activate it. And it's not as bright or as vibrant as the purple one, and it's definitely not as bright like on camera. In person, you could see it better, but I am trying to work the product now. I want this to swoop in the other direction, so I'm just trying to work it so I can do that. Here's how we're looking after everything has been applied and cured in the lamp for a full minute. So now I want to add those little stars. So I'm just going to be placing a few of those all over the nails, curing in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. And then I do apply some glossy top coat. So here's the finished design. Oh my god, I love them so much. I think they're so pretty. It's so galaxy and gorgeous. It's bright and vibrant underneath the flash anyways. Even in the sunlight, it does look really pretty. Here's what they look like in the sunlight. So pretty. Obsessed. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set. I appreciate you guys being here. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.